And now the perpetrator of these shenanigans.
Okay, I don't know if I remember seeing these, the big candy pieces in the window. There's Elmo. We'll explain it later. He's posing with some kids. This is the Labor Day special. There's going to be fireworks later. But I think this is the first time in like 4 or 5 years we've been inside here. So, pictures coming. I made Elmo mad by saying, Rocco! Yes. He doesn't like that. So yeah, this part is the special sweet treat dine with Elmo and friends. We got cakes, blondies or lemon squares, I guess. But the best thing is the special cupcakes, and you got Cookie Monster and Elmo in that too. Got some fancy cookies, of course. And ice cream. Apparently they had ice cream at one point too.
Yeah, whatever the Oreo thing is, that one.
They look like a parfait kind. They look like parfaits kind of.
You want a cupcake?
Of course, I want
that one or
the Cookie Monster.
Cookie
Monster's there. Yeah, but they do have cannoli. That's surprising. I want the Oreo and the cannoli. What are they, by the way? Are they like the parfait or something?
It's just pudding.
Oh, it's pudding.
Pudding, whipped cream, Oreo.
Oh yeah. I'll try one of those. I want a cannoli too. Okay. I think I'm gonna go get some. Ooh. I just want a chocolate milk. Oh gosh. I hear that already. You know what that means. Yeah, that's it. There's the Jello shop. As usual, we are the last to leave. Now we're going to try to capture some fireworks. Okay, I got it. Welcome to War again! When was the last time we saw these? Do you remember which year?
Last year.
Okay. Well, we had one where we had a video for it too. Back out. Okay. We are sorry about that. Okay, there we go. You suck! You suck! You suck! You suck! They left, yeah. Some sons of Stimpies there, that's for sure. And there's the stage. In case you wanted something behind the scenes, there's the stage they use there. Oh. Well, this is a rare occasion. We did not make it into the store this time.
They're always open after it's over.
True, it's true, yeah. See. The people need air. The people need presents. The people need the new pins. Okay. So we're in front of Big Bird's Beach again. We can't go anywhere, but I can at least show you Elmo's Surf and Slide. See this? There's the pool you end up in. What's this? Yes, there's lots of humility. It's very humal. I see. Alright. Elmo's castle is in the distance there. Let me see if I could get up there. Get up in his area. Okay, there's a light. That's cute.
That guy's supposed to see you, right?
Well, it's on the phone, so... Okay. So, yeah. That's the gist. That's the gist. What's up front. There's Sheridan, Who Cares? Yes. And here's something we could have used. This is where the new Sesame Place store is going to be.
And they said,
so
it's going to be open all the time.
We'll see, yeah, we'll see. But I'm giving you an exclusive preview peek.
We got some of that last time, because these buildings were up there.
They were indeed.
Alright.
So yeah, there's that. So finally I have my vlogging camera in Walgreens. This is the Walgreens in South Edison. Not our usual one. There's Jack's. By the way.
And this. We have...
Remember when I stole that baby?
I can't wait. I know,
So
it says blanket that's 30.
Okay, yeah.
No people, we didn't steal them. James was just saying. Oh, it's just that? It says musical, though.
What the heck? Okay,
I
it lets you.
This is Halloween.
It lets you try. It lets you try the light, but not the music.
Maybe I should.
Not again. Oh yeah, there's the socks. There's the sockies. Yeah, you fool! Remember when I stole that baby? Okay. That's a reference to a meme video of Skeletor and Hordak, by the way, from the movie with Baby Shira, or Adora, Baby and Adam. Just so you know. So we say goodbye to the beginning of Nightmare Before Christmas.
Many food that you can actually
Don't
make.
mind the food.
You can pour yourself a bowl of Fruit Loops. I don't know how much it is, though.
Let's see. Okay,
you got the Disney that's too expensive. You've got
Miniverse. Yes, Miniverse.
$8.29. No.
Yes, $8.29.
No. Hold on.
Okay, we're trying to find. There's some plushes. Bunch of plush Boba Fett's together.
One is I saw the Mandalorian somewhere because Mandalorian's gray.
Yes.
Is he sitting under here?
There's Mickey. Here's the Care Bear countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Fridays. Boom. Bloom, Judy Bloom.
Oh, wait a minute. It's getting closer.
Okay.
Oh, I don't fucking know. I don't.
Okay, TLC Critters. Oh, boy.
Now, who is this girl? Captain Marvel has a mohawk now?
In one of her modes, yes. Okay, is
this Barbie? Yeah, Barbie Mashins, people. Which we have a Spider-Man, if you'd like. Pedro Morales.
Pedro Morales.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Miles Morales.
Yes.
And every time I get this one,
here's Red. Yes, it's Red. Here's Red Alert.
Yeah, but this one's
of
different.
The Transformers.
This one it comes in a
Baby Bjorn. Yes. Where do we know what the price of the? Where is it?
And this one you can make your own tea, your own boba tea.
I'll try.
Let's
try one.
You want to try the cereal?
Yeah, sure.
Right.
And here's mini sweets. I don't know if that's the same thing.
Oh well, it comes out as you dress it up. You dress them up and they become Slush Puppy, Peeps, Ring Pop Mentos, Jelly Belly, or Airheads.
Yes.
So and then there's this one, which is probably cheaper. Yeah, that one's $19. I don't think so. Wait, where's the little one that I put away? There it is.
Okay.
I'll try a Barbie mash too.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this is we have an ice cream unicorn. Okay.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize that in Gremlins that they were playing like a game like this.
Yeah.
They're playing one of those games.
Yeah, the Donkey Kong one.
Do you have IQ Twist? 5 pounds.
What a twist. Okay.
You have either one of those?
I
Who's
don't
Spike?
think so. Spike is he's just a generic villain in Super Mario 3.
He's rare? I've never seen him.
Yeah, me neither. He spits spiked balls on you, hence Spike.
Oh, okay.
So, I guess,
I don't mind.
yes, because he's rare, I think I will take mint
Is
chocolate.
this Kirby?
No, it is Jigglypuff.
Okay.
Kirby is not a Pokemon, just so you know.
Do you like this one?
Let me see. Okay. I don't, the black suit there.
Oh.
I don't
Didn't
know.
you buy this last time?
Oh. Yes, this is when he came back to life. He had a mullet and a black costume.
Weren't these on sale at the other store, right?
No, actually those were legit 90s comic books. Yes, I have you, Bo, and you have like a jetpack, and you're hanging up over my computer. You fool!
And it says English
You
comic book inside.
You remember Days of Our Lives?
And he goes, I was on General Hospital too.
I was on, yes.
I think
The
maybe.
Oh, beer. It wasn't bad. Yes, I have one of you already. Like I said. My Hero Academia. We all set.
From my thingy.
Fast and Furious. The movie series that will never end. Okay. Maybe in North. See, I am warping time and space. I am looking at you. I'm also looking at you there. I am looking at you, and here is... Well, I can't really see a reflection there. Ah, here's another reflection. And another. And should I zoom out? Am I zoomed out? One way to find out. Now you could see my feet. Okay. So now, here is... You know what?
And they have a candy.
Yes.
Oh, they have a.
Okay.
They have. I saw the guy in the Twizzlers. You know, the Twizzlers and the Hershey's and all that. So I saw that at Marshall's. This is cute too. Sister's Fall. His name is. Now we have a mystery squad of Squishmallows for Halloween. Look, it's a beaver. It's Kevin Bone. That's cute.
Oh, here's another. I forget if we saw. I forget if we saw these with the other socks, but this is again okay. Never mind. Unless you're a big fan of sockies, like
you know what? There's a T-shirt for
like
kids.
that.
I don't like you either, and it's candy corn.
I don't understand that. I'll never understand that. It's not that bad. These are ladies' socks. Unfortunately, I can't buy because that's a damn good one with the candy corn. Okay, there's bad. Yeah, those are cute. Those are cute. Won't need any legends. Okay. What else? What else?
Could you use an organizer like this?
Oh. Pardon me. No, I'm all right. I am. Here's that guy from. That's that guy from. That's House of a Thousand Corpses. They won't. Oh my. It has a moving jaw. Yes. Let's go back. Let's go back a bit. Oh yeah.
What do you do?
Eventually.
Welcome to Derry looks good. for next year, as you see.
I think so.
We have one named Paige. Oh, that's this one. I don't like that.
I think. What are these? Who's Speed? Oh, it's Pennywise. No, this reminds me that Walgreens is very good at getting licensed horror movie characters. I'll have to see what they come up with. If they have anything more than just Pennywise. Sometimes they get Jason stuff, and sometimes other people. Why does everyone not like you, Candy Corn? You're not that bad. I always liked you. Back when I was in grade school, I don't think people appreciate you, Candy Corn. Well, it's September, so it's not okay, of course. September. Well, it's September. It's not too soon now, so I guess if I really wanted some... What else? Bats! Witch's Brew. Dark chocolate. What's that? Pumpkins, of course. By the way, we have a new kind of Snickers. It's not here, but it's like a green. I forget what the name was, but you'll probably see later on.
Okay, we're now opening up the Barbie Mashers, and it looks like it's Series 3. See that tiny 3 there?
Let's see. Indeed it is. Series
3.
Series, yes.
And no, it is MASH on the back, just like the Spider-Man. Okay. It's a gray-haired Barbie.
Oh. I didn't know they had old ladies.
They don't. What the hell?
Okay. There she is.
But, okay. This is breaking the fourth wall, whatever they call it. Alright, she's gonna be on eBay.
Okay. What about old?
No. I'm freaked out with the fact that she's wearing camo also. And now we're going to open up something that's usually never in my favor. There's two babies in here. There's two babies in it's all different languages. Horse swaddle blanket.
Horse swaddle.
No, horse.
Horse.
And it comes in a swaddle.
Yeah,
and
a horse
a
that looks like a dinosaur for some reason. He has those scales
Dinosaurs.
on top. Oh.
Usually you'd get the, was it a bassinet?
Yes.
They have.
Bassinet, cradle, whatever you like to call it.
And this is Baby Surprise, right?
Baby Surprise. Baby Born.
But it says on the side, it says Baby Surprise. Maybe it's Bjorn there, but it's Surprise.
It is Baby Born Surprise is the official name. So
okay.
It's a compromise. There's the wrapping. You can barely see who you could get there, partially. But of course,
no.
You want to concentrate.
It's not like that guy. You know the guy I send you who laughs when he opens up the Disney stuff and he's like, "Oh, made that," and his face turns bright red.
Okay. Like a parrot.
He's a piss. But there's another reason why I send them, and I think you know.
Okay.
Okay.
According to Sonic Bad, roller skates in snow and whatever that is. I'm looking at the side of the Sonic bag with the symbols there. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so that's
It's
gone.
like the stork brought it down.
Yes. Just like one of the kids in the movie, My Mom's Having a Baby from 1977 thought.
Okay,
Okay.
this is MGA. Oh my god, a unicorn. A unicorn
Unicorn.
can have a human baby? I don't know people.
No, that's dirty. That's dirty. Is there anything? No, there's no listing here. These are,
That's just
I guess, the icons of MGA Entertainment. Okay, but anyway, here opens the stork package to reveal.
I think it's like an animal baby. And it's Cutie with and there's two of them. So we have twin girls. And their names are I ripped that. Okay. Oh. Be Mine Twins. Is it Be Mine? No, hold on. Cutie Sugar Sweet Twins. Yeah, twins or triplets hiding inside. How many babies will you find? Baby born. Surprise. You can get the candy, sweet candy ones. Sugar Sweet is mine. Be Mine. XOXO. The BBSM Lollipop Twins. Cloud9. Sprinkle Twins. Cutie Pie Triplets, which is like a grape, like a blueberry
pie
or black one. Celebration Twins.
Cake, obviously.
Yeah, cupcake. But yes, August they were born. June. These were born in June. So like you, Gemini Twins. That's the ones you were thinking of.
Play with us.
Okay, this is a little bit ripped, but it's going to be on eBay.
Yes. So look for that as well.
Yeah. I'll include all the parts. Okay. And I'm not going to do the mini food with this.
Not yet. That
Only because
mini food is coming up soon. So that is a teaser.
Yes.
And I have one too, so you'll see mine as well.
It's not going to be fun to open either. I can tell.
Scan this QR code for Sonic. I don't know what it'll do, but if you want whatever they're offering, you scan it now.
No, this one I always have trouble.
Okay. Oh.
I can't. Yeah, we gotta. Happy Labor Day from ABC7 for New York. From CBS. From all of us at Channel 11. We saw them at Sesame, and good night.